Welcome to my channel. I'm Mehr. My channel is about art journaling, mixed media, collage, assemblage, and anything else that sparks my interest. Now enjoy my video. Hi dear followers, here I am with another weekly budget-friendly background. We're gonna use some blue and black craft paints. I'm gonna start by painting a variegated background, and afterwards it's gonna be hot. You can barely see it, but I'm heating up my heat gun. So this time I'm gonna paint it. Maybe I'm gonna scrape it. Just decided different. I'm gonna grab one of those key cards or gift cards or credit cards. I'm gonna scrape on a background. As usual, the page is already chiseled. So the paint is pretty much dry, and now onto the heat gun, to the glue gun, sorry about that. So we're gonna do some squiggly lines, some dots, just making sort of a pattern all over. And yeah, then we have to let it cool down. Not sure how much you can see it. Just want some stuff going on in the background. Maybe some dots. Oh, I'm running out of glue stick. I have to grab new glue stick. Hold on a second. Okay, I'm ready for doing something more. Let's see whether I can write a word. Happy or cool. What shall I write? Great. I think that's it for the moment. Now this has to dry, to cool down completely. So it is cooled down completely, and when you touch it, it feels like a little bit of stickiness. It's the thing of the silicone. It's a silicone glue stick. So I thought, I can use that maybe for some foil play. And it's a good way to use up any already used pieces. And I very often also go look in the cosmetics section for my stuff, you know that by now. So this is from the nail department. So those work too. My scissor is really sticky. Okay, so I go first with this partial already used up foil. I did run it through the laminator with a printed thingy. And now I'm gonna in again with the pink. I'm gonna zoom you in again. see, I have to make room a little bit. So that's what we have so far. And it is as simple as just rub it over. So the more you rub it, the more heat you produce, which helps to pick up the foil a little bit better. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share on whatever social media you are on. Till soon!